Welcome to American WorkFlows, where we empower your enterprise with cutting edge software solutions designed to transform your business. With a diverse suite of products, including the American Eagle CMMS for proactive maintenance, Sage Intacct ERP, and Sage X3 ERP, we ensure you have the right tools to streamline operations and maximize efficiency. Our trusted services are the backbone of businesses across sectors. We are not just a provider, we are your partner in achieving operational excellence. From small startups to global enterprises, our experience spans across various industries, tailoring to your unique needs. Join us and navigate the complexities of the modern market with ease. Our mission is to elevate your enterprise to the forefront of innovation. American Workflow is your gateway to the American dream in the business world. Let's make it your reality. Interested in elevating your business with American Workflows? Contact us today to schedule an interactive meeting and start your journey to success. American Workflows, where your vision meets our innovation.